Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the document template. A template is a pre-designed document with respect to design such as margin size, font style, and the size and the spacing. It is used to create documents quickly and visually more appealing without thinking about the formatting the document. Word has a large collection of templates and therefore you can find one to suit your purpose. So, how to create a template? First, we need to go to the office button. As we click on this new option, we get this blank document. But now here we are going to learn about the templates. So, we have different kind of templates like from install templates. We have these different installed templates in our computer, our word processing program. We can see, and here we have a list of the Microsoft Office Online. So if you are connected to the internet, you can easily use any. So click on the create new template. Suppose I have selected any of the option here, like I have taken this oral resume, and then click on the option create. So get this automatically. This is it known as a template. It's already having the margin size, font style, size and spacing. What you need to do, you just need to make changes only. And typing text is very easy here. You just need to click here in this placeholder, whatever your objective, education, your school name, everything is already pre-designed. You just need to do as per your own requirement. And then the degrees and awards achievements, experience, start date, type in. So this resume is already prepared. You just need to make some changes in this. So this is all known as the templates. So template is nothing, it's just a pre-designed document with respect to design such as margin size, font style, size and spacing, and the document can be easily created quickly and visually more appealing without thinking about the formatting. So how we have done it? You have to click this office button or the file tab you have in your version whichever you are using, then new option, and in this new option you get the install templates, any of the template you want to use, and you can use this business card, but these are must be installed. Like we have here envelopes, we have here cards, we have here certificates, invitations, letters. So these are the different kind of templates here we have. So you can use any of it, and you need to click on this. Like suppose there is one more option of the resume, click on this original resume, and then here create new document. Instead of the document, you have to click on the template and then click on the option create. So this is again document is created here. So you just need to make changes in it, nothing else. You have to put the text in this placeholder, phone number, email. You have to just make the changes as per your own requirement. And then objectives is already written. You need to fill the objective, education, type the completion date, experience. So all these things you have to just fill accordingly, and then save it, and this way you can easily make your templates.